Are you gonna apologize to Allison or what?
Why should I apologize?
Because you're the guy? It's like what we do.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, you should definitely apologize. See, anytime a guy thinks he hasn't done anything wrong, it means he's definitely done something wrong.
I'm not apologizing.
Is that the full moon talking, buddy?
Probably. Why do you care anyway?
Because, Scott, something's got to go right here. I mean, we're getting our asses royally kicked, if you haven't noticed. People are dying. I got my dad fired. You're going to be held back in school. I'm in love with a nut job. And if on top of all that, I got to watch you lose Allison to a stalker like Matt, I'm going to stab myself in the face.
Don't stab yourself in the face.
Why not?
Because Jackson's here.
Glad you could make it.